2, 1, and booster ignition liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery, taking the space station to full power for full science.
This is Mission Control Houston.
The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is counting down to the launch of the Chandrayaan-3 mission, which is scheduled to take off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota at 2:35 p.m. today. If Isro pulls this mission off successfully, India will join an exclusive list of just 3 other countries that have managed a soft landing on the Moon: the United States, the erstwhile Soviet Union, and most recently, China. Both the United States and the Soviet Union crashed many spacecraft before they successfully landed on the Moon. China was the only country to succeed in its first attempt with the Chang'e-3 mission in 2013. Chandrayaan-3 is a follow-on to the Chandrayaan-2 mission, which met failure in its last legs. This will be India's second attempt to soft land on the Moon, an attempt that the world is watching. Why is it so difficult to land on the Moon? Chandrayaan-3 is a follow-on to the Chandrayaan-2 mission, which ended in tears after the Vikram lander crashed into the lunar surface in 2019. The same year, Beresheet, an Israeli-built spacecraft, also failed at the same objective. Hakuto-R, a Japanese-led mission, also crashed into the lunar surface this year. Well, to begin with, getting as far as the Moon is very hard in the first place. It is more than 384,400 kilometers away from our planet. This means that reaching there are orders of magnitude more difficult than going to the low Earth orbit. Also, Earth's lone satellite has an extremely thin atmosphere. This means that spacecraft cannot rely on atmospheric drag to slow them down to a reasonable speed before landing. Since they need to use their propulsion systems for the descent, it means that they will need more fuel and more advanced landing computation systems. The journey of the last few kilometers above the lunar surface is essential. Here, flight computers need to make extremely quick calculations and maneuvers to make sure that the landing is going right. Also, there is no GPS on the Moon, which makes it more difficult to land at the pre-selected safe landing area. First, India's moon craft will land at the south pole of the Moon, where water molecules have been found. The finding, made during India's first Moon mission in 2008, had startled the world. Vikram is meant to have a safe, soft landing. The lander will then release the rover Pragyan, which will roam the Moon's surface for a lunar day equal to 14 Earth days and conduct scientific experiments. The scientists hope to analyze the lunar soil, rove around the Moon's surface, also log moonquakes. ISRO says learning from the last Moon mission, it has reduced the number of engines on the lander from 5 to 4 and updated the software. Everything has undergone rigorous testing.